Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja. Yo, we are going to make this a quick plan with me video. Very quick. Man, there are a lot of changes going on in the world today, aren't there? And it brings to fore your knowledge and understanding of the things that are important. What the heck? Okay. My plan to decorate will be to use this Erin Condren kit along with some Oso paper stickers. Both of them together will form my functional a la decorative spread. And I have a whole bunch of Oso paper stickers, so yeah. All of those are just going to stay down here while I lay the basics of this. And then we'll get back to talking. In addition, I want to remind myself to stay healthy. That's a major thing that needs to be done. So I think I'm going to use one of these workout stickers. Right now I don't have anything that says, ooh, stay healthy. I'm going to need an oil change soon. I need to do something with my car this week. I wish I had just a car icon. That would have been nice. That would have been nice. So let's put down the workout icon because that's a major thing for this week. I think I want to use the Sweet Life. Let's use this lady up here who is going up and down the little pedestal. That's nice. Things to make sure that I do this week. This, I'll put it in the middle here to remind myself that it should be a focal point for the week. Thursday is trash day. That should be in another booklet over here. This week is primarily work from home week. Let's use this orange guy right here, or orange gal right here, to remind myself of such. Even though I mainly work from home, so, you know, there's not much of a difference now. There's not too much of a difference, honestly, only that our in-person meetings are just going to change. So, in light of that, I wanted to find out how you guys' lives have changed or are changing in light of this virus spread or viral spread. What are you all doing? Movie night's going to be Friday. Oh, yes. Movie night's going to be Friday. We're all quarantined, people. I'm not going anywhere anymore. Well, we're not all quarantined, but, you know. I'm leaving this post-it there to remind me of what I need to do. Gardening. There is some gardening that needs to be done. I need to do my hair. Ugh. I do need to do my hair. I definitely need to do my hair. And I'm going to use this wash hair sticker because it's all part of it. I've been thinking on and off that I wanted to get my hair braided or twisted. And now, given the lockdown, I'm not sure that I want to go to someone to have it done. So that means I need to do it myself. Now I'm going to leave room here because I usually put a doll up here. And I typically use this section at the bottom for habit tracking, but I might do my habit tracking in a different way this time. I just might. Let's see. It's just one of those things, you know. When things change, you have to change along with it. This week is indoors week. Indoors a lot. We're going to have some ice cream on here. One of these days. Don't know exactly when, but one of these days there shall be ice cream. Laundry. Laundry needs to occur on Monday. The kid comes back tomorrow. What's pink? Fine, let's use pink. Where are my Taekwondo stickers? We have Taekwondo this week. We do have Taekwondo this week. That is something that's very important to the little one. So I needs not forget. Oh, I just ripped my sticker. No. 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 I'll turn the camera off and I'll be right back. So the major parts of this spread are done, and I just need to write in all the stuff that's happening. Oh, lest I forget, we have custody exchange this week. I should have put a weekend sticker here, but I think the colorfulness of this is enough. Let's use this striped washi here to denote that section of time. Yeah, to remind me when to pick up the kid. No, I think let's see if just ruler and pen would work. Don't know why I'm trying to use red or purple today when it really is green that I intend to use. So drop off here. I think all of it's just going to be like that so that I can essentially use this hourly to denote. And this is drop off, and that's pick up. Church this weekend's going to be online. Whoa, can't see that. Let's see if we can see this one. Brush pen. Not really, but not too bad. Let's use the thicker tip. See if that makes a difference. Church online. This essentially denotes vegging out because we are stuck at home. If you do not need to go out, we are being told to stay home. And I don't know if I would say fortunately or unfortunately, we have Saturday Morning Live, episode 50, this weekend. We have a team meeting. This should be a video conference. And then Thursday I have 2 meetings, one at 8 and one at 10:30. Okay, Thursday we also should have Taekwondo. Well, that's a maybe with everything that's happening. Already in Taekwondo, they don't have, right now, the class that my kid is in, they don't have very close contact with each other, so he's not in the contact, he's not at a contact level yet, but he is going to an orange belt, so maybe, I don't know, maybe. I'll just write that in. I need to put this as 5:30. Let's make that 5:30, and this is also 5:30. Oh, I have a meeting that I forgot here on Wednesday. And I want to make that, should I make it pink or yellow? Which color would make me more likely to look at it? Orange. Yeah, I'll put that right there, because I will need to leave 30 minutes beforehand. These days I'm starting to sort of trick my brain. If I have a meeting at, say, 4 o'clock, I need to set that meeting for 3:30, because usually if I put the meeting for 4, I don't start to get ready for that meeting until the time I write in my planner. So I know it's weird. Maybe you guys don't have that problem. But if you don't, kudos to you. I have that problem, unfortunately. So we have Taekwondo, and then we have at 4 o'clock, we have Global Video Conference. And here we have the Texas Conference. Have some of these meetings every week. Half of this day is going to be site visits. Let's put that down. Yeah, leaving at about 7:30. Now that the kid is home, I am blessed that I should be able to start working earlier this week. Yes. Okay. Why did I do it this way? Well, okay, and that's it. That's the plan with me. I should have had something saying to do over there, because that's what that section is for. I typically put the things that I have to do that week that are not specific to a particular day, you know? I don't think I have any to do. Well, I do have something that says this week. So let's use that, shall we? So every other sticker that's on this page, except for, well, those are from Oso Paper. That's this week. And I think my week is done. Take out the trash. That's something to do on Wednesday. So I have a to-do box there. I need to do my hair this week. What else is here? Still have a few things to do that are rolling over from the previous weeks. I need to buy some pants for my kid. New pants. And then let's look at the let's look at what I have from my February setup that I could use. I need to do some filming. I need to do my vehicle inspection. We've done the dishwasher. Vehicle inspection. Yeah, let's see if we can do that this week. And that's it. I was supposed to request a day off for next Friday, but there is a chance. I'll still write that down as a to-do, just in case. Just in case. Yeah. Just in case. A lot of things are changing, but you know, you plan for what you can and what you have at the moment, and then make adjustments later, instead of doing what I would have done, I don't know, 7, 8 years ago. Sometimes I still do that, which is leave it all blank until I'm exactly sure of what's going on. Life doesn't work like that. Okay? I think I'll put a few of these to-dos, or well, what look like to-dos, down, and we will continue from there. We have that. Let's use orange over there. I should put one of these down on Saturday, because Saturday we are going to be home for a long time. For a long time. That can be under here. Alright, and that's the plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stick around, come back tomorrow to see another video. Through the month of March, I am putting out videos or going live on YouTube every single day. Thank you for being with me so far. You should have seen the you should have seen me go live earlier today, and then you'll see the video for tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.